All right. So your business has been booming. You mentioned that you're thinking about maybe buying another one with some property. Do you have any like goals, aspirations? Are you trying to get a bunch? You just trying to take it one step at a time? What's that looking like for you?
Yeah, I'm trying to take it one step at a time. I think there's no like I don't have this idea of like, hey, I want to own 10, I want to own 100. It's just kind of a matter of what I can manage, and that's one step at a time, one laundromat at a time. I think I'm ready to expand into another one because I do want to have some diversity for future. If something happens, I lose my lease or something on this current one, hey, there goes just about everything. But so I think it's important to diversify somehow, some way, whether that's other services you're offering in your laundromat or whatever, or having multiple laundromats. I think that's important. So that's where I'm trying to go with it.
Yeah, awesome. Have you thought about doing like pickup and delivery? I know you said you get like a couple maybe customers on drop off, but have you thought about trying to grow that a little more, or are you looking for another
I did.
location to do that?
Yeah, I did. I would need a different location for sure. We don't have enough space. We don't have, it'd be nice to have a back door for that type of stuff, some closets, or even an extra, unit off the side to be able to store and house a lot of that stuff. But that's a goal I had at one point, but now I just want to optimize the way this store works right now. And then I think in the future, because when you add wash, dry, fold, it's a whole nother business,
Mhm.
and it's a whole nother animal, a whole nother set of employees, problems. And so I would like to get this one efficient, and then maybe decide at that point if it's necessary or something. I've had a couple of people say, yeah, we tried implementing it, but we found it was just easier just to grow laundromats.